Today we are still going to talk about MUET, but this time I'll switch to MUET speaking. And today we'll try something very exciting, using AI to enhance our speaking skill. To be more specific, I'm talking about Gemini Live Chat. It is a friendly, ego-boosting, 24/7 speaking coach, especially for those of you who have to study on your own or practice on your own to sit for MUET exam. This app actually gives you live, instant feedback and sharpen your grammar, pronunciation, as well as vocabulary. And you can just install it in your phone. You don't even have to use your laptop or computer. Now let's talk about what's so good about using Gemini Live Chat. It actually provides positive feedback to boost your confidence before giving you suggestions on ways to improve. So it is actually a very ego boosting app that builds your motivation first. Okay, it maintains pure courtesy, meaning it will never give you negative criticism. It picks up your strengths and motivate you through positive feedback before giving you or telling you what errors you might have made. It also checks on your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation live. If a mistake is made, it gives you suggestions for better word choice, correct usage, or even correct your pronunciation if you have prompted it right. Lastly, it gives real-time conversation and suggestions. You can turn this app into a conversational app if you would like to, because it allows live chat or live communication so that you get immediate feedback. It also summarizes your speech or presentation and gives content improvements on the spot. After learning about the multiple benefits, now let's talk about how to make use of this exciting tool. First, you obviously need to install Gemini app on your mobile phone. Then perhaps take a screenshot and upload the topic of what you would like to present, which most likely would be the MUET question from your book or from any reference books. After that, direct your feedback by prompting the app to give you feedback on targeted areas, whether you want more on your content or your pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary. In order to make it interactive and to listen to what the app tells you, besides reading from what is typewritten, you tap on the wavy line icon on the right of your microphone to speak live. As you can see, I've given you an example there. It's the wavy line in the blue icon next to the microphone. Now, if you have experimented it, you would find or you would discover more about this app, and it helps you in your presentation, especially turn it into a learning tool, because after your presentation, you can actually ask for more suggestions. So if you run short of presentation points, prompt Gemini Live Chat for extra suggestions to enrich your content, and you yourself would be learning more about the topic. Moreover, you are also listening to professional model presentations. As you listen to the feedback, ask Gemini Live Chat to deliver its own sample speech. When it is presenting, you can listen to a high-quality spoken model of the speech, and perhaps you yourself can analyze and break down the content given. Lastly, you can mimic natural English flow. Listen carefully to Gemini's native-like models to learn proper accent, rhythm, accurate word stresses, clear intonation, and native sentence structures. What is more important is that this only happens between you and the app. There is no third person involved, so you don't have to be embarrassed of people laughing at you because the app would never laugh at you. Now let's take a look at how we can make use of Gemini Live Chat as a great learning tool for your speaking skill. This video, I've experimented with my phone and recorded how I have used Gemini Live Chat on a MUET topic and how I asked it to comment on my content and language. Also, I've also asked the app to give me more suggestions for ideas. The video takes about 8 minutes plus, but in this video you can actually fast forward anything that you don't like or anything that you've already known in order to save time. Let's delve into it. Can I start a short presentation about this topic and later you comment on my content, use of language, vocabulary, and perhaps even pronunciation, and also try to give me some ways to improve? Can I start a short presentation about this topic and later you can see it's only type written because I've not used the live chat perhaps even pronunciation version. And also try to give me some ways to improve. But the live chat option is already given down there. Now I've switched to live chat. This is the question. Right, I'm ready to start. There have been a few dengue cases in my neighborhood, and I suggest organizing a health talk to help reduce the spread of dengue fever or dengue cases in my neighborhood. First,
that is a very proactive idea.
There have been a few dengue cases in my neighborhood, and I suggest organizing a health talk to help reduce the spread of dengue fever or dengue cases in my neighborhood. We will be inviting people. First,
that is a very proactive idea.
The authorities. Can I continue with this presentation? From the hospitals or from the health department? Or
of course, please continue.
Yeah, one of the reasons why I think organizing a health talk can be quite useful is the fact that we will be inviting people who are from the authorities, for example, from the hospitals or from the health department, or even medical officers who are of credibility to come and give a talk, perhaps on how dengue fever has been able to spread and what we as individuals can do to help stop the spread. For example, I believe in the health talk, the officers or the speaker would be talking about how about the ways we can actually practice at home in order to stop the mosquitoes from breeding. So for instance, if we don't keep still water in containers, or if we keep cleaning the drains, especially clogged drains, it can very effectively help to reduce the
That's a very
Aedes
practical
mosquito
approach,
from breeding,
focusing on source
and
reduction.
that probably
Since
would be one of
Aedes
the best
mosquitoes
ways
lay eggs in
the health
stagnant
officer
water,
could
community
suggest
cleanups
to
of
us
drains and
to
containers are some of the most effective
reduce
steps.
the number
Having
of
health
dengue
officials
cases
speak
in our
reinforces the
neighborhood.
importance and can
What
provide
do you
specific
think?
guidelines for the area. Would you like suggestions on
That's
how
a
to
very
invite them or
practical
promote the
approach,
event to
focusing
neighbors?
on source reduction.
No, thank
Since
you.
Aedes mosquitoes
And
lay
just like
eggs in
with
stagnant
everything
water,
on my
community
page
cleanups
published,
of drains and
we
containers
have
are
to
some of the most
present
effective
and
steps.
perhaps
Having
how
health
to
officials
improve
speak
our
reinforces the
presentation.
importance and can provide specific guidelines for the
Your
area.
English is clear,
Would you like
natural,
suggestions on
and
how to
very easy
invite
to
them or
understand.
promote the event
Your
to
flow is
neighbors?
logical, and your passion
No,
for the
thank
topic
you.
comes through well.
I would just
To
like you
elevate
to
your
comment
presentation,
on my
you might
use
try
of
using
English,
shorter, more
the way
direct
I
sentences
present,
instead of longer,
and
connected
perhaps
ones, which
how
can
I
give
can
your points
improve
more
on my
impact.
presentation.
You could also incorporate brief pauses before key ideas to
Your
let the
English is
information sink
clear,
in.
natural, and very easy to understand. Your flow is logical, and your passion for the topic comes through well.
Can I
To
try
elevate your
the same
presentation,
topic
you
but
might try using shorter,
focusing
more
on
direct sentences instead of
perhaps
longer, connected ones, which can
organizing
give your
an
points more
educational
impact.
campaign?
You could also incorporate brief pauses before key ideas to
That's a
let the
strong
information
pivot.
sink in.
Focusing on an educational campaign allows you to target different groups, like school children or local
Can I
businesses, with
try the
tailored
same
messages.
topic but
Please go ahead and share your
focusing
ideas for the
on
campaign.
perhaps
Thank you. I'll start
organizing
now.
on educational campaign? Since there are a few dengue cases in my neighborhood,
That's a strong
I
pivot.
believe that
Focusing on an
organizing an
educational
educational
campaign allows you
campaign
to target
can be
different
a
groups,
useful way
like
to
school
reduce the
children or
spread
local
of
businesses, with
dengue
tailored messages.
diseases or
Please go ahead
dengue
and share your
fever.
ideas for the campaign.
First of all, educational Thank you. I'll start now. Would be a series of activities Since there are a
carried
few
For
dengue
instance,
cases in
giving
my
talks,
neighborhood, I believe that
seminars, or
organizing
even
an educational
exhibitions
campaign can
targeting
be a
on
useful
various
way to
groups of
reduce the
people.
spread of
For example,
dengue
students,
diseases or dengue
government
fever.
officials, schools,
First of all, educational campaign
departments
would be
in
a
the
series of
government
activities
sectors,
carried out, for
and
instance, giving
probably
talks,
members of the general
seminars,
public.
or even
I believe
exhibitions,
that
targeting on
people from
various
all
groups
walks of
of
life
people,
need
for
to
example,
understand
students,
the importance of
government officials,
reducing the
schools,
spread of the disease. So, for instance,
departments
if we
in
have
the government
an
sectors,
exhibition for
and
school
probably
children,
members of
they
the
can
general
learn
public.
the
I believe
ways
that
to reduce the spread
people from
of
all walks of life
dengue
need
fever,
to
for
understand
instance,
the
by
importance
cleaning up
of
the drains
reducing
and
the
joining
spread of the
Gotong
disease.
programs to
So, for
clean up the
instance, if we
houses
have
in order
an
to prevent
exhibition for school
stagnant
children,
water
they
to
can learn
become breeding
the
grounds for
ways
Aedes
to
mosquitoes.
reduce the spread
This
of
can be done through
dengue
exhibitions
fever,
if
for
we put on,
instance,
or
by
if we put up
cleaning up the
pictures
drains
or
and
short videos
joining Gotong
in the
Royong
exhibition,
programs to
probably
clean up the
carried out in the
houses
school
in
hall,
order to
to
prevent
allow students to
stagnant
absorb,
water
to explore,
to
and to
become
watch the
breeding
short
grounds for
videos
Aedes
to have a more
mosquitoes.
lasting
These
impact.
can be done through
I think that's all.
exhibitions if we put on or if we put up
That was a
pictures or
very
short
detailed
videos
presentation.
in the
Your vocabulary
exhibition,
is strong,
probably
and you
carried out in the
logically
school hall,
categorize the campaign's
to
activities by the
allow
target audience.
students to
To
absorb,
improve
to
further,
explore,
try to
and
avoid
to
repeating
watch the
phrases
short
like,
videos
for
to
instance,
have a more
multiple times in
lasting
close succession.
impact.
Instead, you
I
could
think that's
use,
all.
for example, specifically, or simply give
That
the
was a
example
very
directly.
detailed
This
presentation.
will make your delivery
Your
feel
vocabulary
even
is
more
strong,
fluid
and you
professional.
logically categorize the campaign's activities by the target audience. To improve further, try to avoid repeating phrases like,
Is there
for
any point
instance,
that
multiple
you
times in
want
close
to
succession.
strengthen
Instead, you could
and to
use,
lengthen
for
your
example,
presentation?
specifically, or simply give the example directly. This
You
will make
could
your
add a
delivery
section
feel
on
even
measuring
more
success,
fluid and professional.
like tracking whether reported case numbers drop after the campaign. Including a plan for ongoing
Thank
sustainability,
you. Is
such
there
as
any
setting up
point
a
that I can
neighborhood
add
action
on
committee
to
or a digital alert system,
strengthen
would
and to
also add
lengthen my
significant value.
presentation?
You could add a section on measuring success, like tracking whether reported case numbers drop after the campaign. Including a plan for ongoing
Can you please
sustainability,
explain on
such as
the
setting up a
digital
neighborhood
alert
action committee
system?
or a
I'm not very
digital
clear
alert
about
system,
that.
would also add significant value.
A digital alert system could involve setting up a dedicated messaging group, like on WhatsApp or Telegram, for neighborhood representatives. This channel would be used to share quick updates on reported
Can you
dengue
please
cases,
explain on
notify
the
residents about
digital
community
alert
cleanup
system?
schedules,
I'm not very
and
clear about
blast
that.
reminders to check for stagnant water after heavy rain.
A
It
digital
ensures
alert system
everyone
could
gets
involve
critical
setting up a
information quickly.
dedicated messaging group, like on WhatsApp
I
or
see.
Telegram,
That's a very
for
interesting
neighborhood
point.
representatives.
I've never thought
This
of.
channel would be
Thank you
used to
very
share
much for
quick
your
updates on
feedback.
reported
I
dengue
really
cases,
appreciate that.
notify residents about community cleanup schedules.
Right, that the whole session that I've experimented using Gemini Live Chat, and you can see that it gives me feedback. And when I don't have enough points, this is where I want to learn from AI. Rather than copying answers, I actually ask the Gemini app to build up on what I've presented. And when I'm not clear about something, I actually ask for clarification using this app. So it's a very effective tool if we know how to make use of it correctly, rather than just using it for plagiarism. It doesn't help much. But in this way, I believe it's exciting, and you have someone to give you constant feedback, in which case most of us do not have this privilege to have native speakers or people who speak very good English around us to give us this kind of feedback and knowledge as well. So overall, I believe that using AI, especially Gemini Live Chat, would be a very amazing journey for us to improve on our speaking skills, particularly on grammar, pronunciation, use of the English, the way we present, and you can also make full use of it in training business English or general speaking skills. I think that's all for my session. Thank you.